Platte Park has an amazing new teaching tool that can bring decades of river dynamics right into your schoolyard for hands-on with your students. Hi, I'm Scott Latona. I'm the manager of South Platte Park. We're part of South Suburban Parks and Recreation District. We provide the recreation services to 6 cities and 3 counties within the south part of the Denver area. And South Platte Park itself is an 880-acre open space along 2.5 miles of the South Platte River. It's owned by the city of Littleton, and it was created after a flood in 1965. Our flood table is now traveling with us in the South Platte Express. It's an item that we can bring to your classrooms, to your school cafeterias, or into your schoolyard or parking lots, and really bring the river dynamics to life for your students.
Do you feel that you are able to draw from what we've done here and take it back to the classroom, and maybe even a month from now, draw back to this? Will they remember that long?
Absolutely, yeah, because I'm going to talk, first grade especially, we've talked about the water cycle, and so I can relate the water table here to the water cycle and talk about that. Second grade has been working a lot on animal classes and animal parts and animal adaptations, so we're going to talk exactly about that, how we talked about the parts of the crawdad and how they use those things.
Sure.
Even if you can't come to South Platte Park, we can bring the park and all of its learning experiences to you. We can't wait to talk to you about this great opportunity.